Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to know if internet service provider is throttling and how to solve it. So let's get started. The absolute worst thing your internet service provider can do is throttle your connection. But what exactly does ISP throttling entail? Essentially, it's a tactic used by ISPs to limit your bandwidth by intentionally reducing your internet speed to a crawl. Have you ever noticed your internet slowing down to a snail's pace, especially when you're trying to stream your favorite show or download a large file? If so, it's highly likely that you're experiencing ISP throttling. So, what causes ISP throttling? ISPs typically throttle users who consume a substantial amount of bandwidth or engage in activities that are linked to heavy usage. For instance, if you're streaming high-definition videos, downloading large torrents, or playing online games, your ISP may throttle your speed because these activities require a significant amount of bandwidth. The general rule is straightforward. The more bandwidth an activity demands, the greater the likelihood of experiencing throttling. However, even if you're not doing anything that might provoke your ISP, you might still face throttling during peak hours. This is particularly common during times when many users are online, such as evenings or weekends. And it's not just you. Throttling can often affect all users in a particular area during these high traffic times. So, how can you tell if you're being throttled? There are several effective ways to check your internet speed and assess whether throttling is occurring. You can use a variety of internet health tests and speed test tools available online to gauge your connection's performance. I have used speedtest.net for this video. Pay close attention to the speeds you're getting during different activities. If you notice a significant difference in connectivity between the same application or service on different ISPs, congratulations, you've likely fallen victim to throttling. Now, what should you do if you suspect that you're being throttled? If your suspicions are confirmed, what steps can you take aside from marching into your ISP's office in frustration? Believe it or not, a virtual private network, VPN, could be your best solution. By using a VPN, your ISP won't be able to see your internet activities, which means they have no reason to throttle your connection based on your usage patterns. While a VPN may not fully prevent throttling during peak times, it can certainly help by encrypting your connection and routing your data through secure servers. This prevents your ISP from monitoring your online activities and taking action against you. To effectively stop ISP throttling, the first step is to download a reputable VPN service, install it on your device, and connect to the nearest server. Even connecting to a local server will usually suffice. For instance, you might want to try NordVPN. It is a solid option, offering robust security features along with fast connection speeds. It allows for torrenting with minimal speed loss thanks to its P2P optimized servers and smart DNS technology, all at an affordable price. With NordVPN, you can browse, stream, and download without the worry of throttling, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable online experience. To use NordVPN, first sign up on their website and choose a plan that suits you. After that, download and install the app on your device. Once installed, open the app and log in with your account credentials. You can then choose a server from the map or the country list and click Connect to establish a VPN connection. Enjoy secure browsing and unrestricted access. The link to NordVPN is provided in the description below for your convenience.